Hello guys, welcome to my channel on YouTube. Today in this episode we will try together to download the Maxott application on Firestick Amazon devices. The method is very easy and simple. All you have to do, you need to open your device and search for the application. It's named Downloader. This is the application that we will download. It's called the Downloader. Click for install. We wait until the download finish. Then click for open. Click OK. We need to give some permission to this application first. The permission is very important. As you can see on this video, we have to allow the downloader so we can install and download any application from now on. You have to give permission to download a known application. It's very important. Here we can put the code, as you see. Downloader code. Now we can copy this link into the box. The link, you will find it in the description. Put the link as it is in that box right there, or the code. The code is very easier. You will find it also in the screen or down in the description. Then click on it and go. As you see, the download is in the progress. We click install. As you see, the video is installing. It's installed. Click done. It's in the home screen right now. Click open it. If you need the playlist or the trail, contact us via the website 4kaptvs.com or on the number shown in the board. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and press the link button. Thank you.